those kids.
I should break out my dance moves.
Are they not amazing?
They are great.
We feel very underaccomplished right now.
I see them on the commercials, and I used to be very envious. I want to be one of those kids singing.
It just shows when you got it that young, you got it, man. Raw talent. And you are a very raw, real, young, talented digital guru. Winston Sih, back with the latest. What's buzzing? And apparently it's a security issue.
So this is going to serve as a public service announcement. Apple just came out with a new update, a security update for Macs, iPhones, and iPads. So there are many people out there who have these devices. And it addresses a security issue that involves encryption. So encryption is the packets that go back and forth from the internet.
Like a bug?
Yeah, a bug. So people could intrude and steal that information. So they've released a patch that fixes that. But one thing Kevin and I were talking about earlier is a great thing called Time Capsule. And I recommend this because it backs up all of your data on all of your devices into one central place. And for just under $300, you can get 2 terabytes of space. That's 2,000 gigabytes.
So more than you'll ever need. $300, peace of mind.
Because you never know when your devices are going to go down, and it'll back all of it up.
Or just use a BlackBerry, no problems there. More BT right after this.